When it comes to doing percentages, it's a lot easier than you think. We follow a format. Is over of equals percent over 100. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to show you how to underline and set things up. What is, so our is the x, because we don't know. That's what is. 35%, that will always go as the number over 100 of 90. There's how all the pieces go in there. Is, what is means we don't know. That's our x. We're trying to find that. 35% will always go in as the number over 100. Every percentage. I'm going to write that down. Every percentage is number over 100. 56%, 56 over 100. 2% would be 2 over 100, all right? So every time you see percent, you're going to put that number over 100. Now, we're going to do what you learned last lesson. We're going to cross multiply. Time for my pretty highlighters. Cross multiply. So that one is, I guess I'll put it in blue. 100x equals, I'm going to use a calculator. 90 times 35 equals 3150. Okay, 100x equals 3150. Divide both sides by 100, and you have x equals 31.5. You can say it's 31.50 if you want. If you're not sure that I'm right, with your calculator, take 3150 and divide it by 100. Just make sure you hit the right buttons. Yeah, whatever. And I kind of cheated a little bit because my decimal's there, and when I'm dividing by 100, I just move my decimal 2 places. But 31.5 or 31.50 is 35% of 90. Now let's set it up again. Again, lots of colors. And this time we have 12 is. So there's 12. Let's get the equal sign. Is 4%. That'd be 4 over 100 over what number? That's our x. Same thing. Whoops. Let's see if I'm going to do that. Yeah. Same thing. We're going to cross multiply. There we go. So we have 1200 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4, and you have 300 equals x. So 12 is 4% of 300. Now this one, okay, is it weird? I don't know. Let's figure it out. What percent of 72 is 21? There's my is. There's my of. Equals, and we don't know the percent. So that's the x, but it's still over 100. Your percent number is always over 100. And we want to cross multiply again. So we have 2100 equals 72x. Divide both sides by 72. And this one is definitely a calculator issue, calculator thing. All right, 29.16666 equals x. Well, let's round it. 29.17% equals X, okay? So 21 is 29.17% of 72. And honestly, that's it for day 2.